What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, back with another video. In this episode, this will be part one of probably 4 parts of this beautiful 1964 Riviera. We are going to be doing quite a bit. We're going to redo this 20-year-old or maybe even older trunk build. It's a really nice build, but the customer wants me to redo it, make it a little updated a little bit, make it a little bit more modern. We're going to redo the trunk, the rear deck, and also some kick panels, little center console action. So stay tuned. This is the trunk build for the 64 Riviera. I'll put some good pictures at the end. She's a little dirty right now, but we'll get some really nice pictures at the end of this video, and also the entire trunk, part one. Let's go. All right, y'all, working on the 64 Riviera. I already put a 8 channel Diamond Audio amp in there, 8-inch subwoofer by Polk Audio, all wires and distribution and stuff. Just ripped out all the original system that was in here, or should I say the original build. As you can see, I got a lot of work cut out for me, but coming up with a plan. I don't know if you guys have seen some of my videos, but I always start off with these quarter-inch MDF strips. I make strips out of them. Just work better that way. I'll get CA glue and mock up my template, then take it over to my router and cut out the shape and move on from there. So watch the steps as I try to figure out how I'm going to make this look really, really badass. Let's go. And here we go, y'all. So as you can see, I have got the left side somewhat mocked up. Again, I take this CA glue and these strips of wood. It's a little spendy. A lot of people use cardboard and other methods, but I tend to like this better. I have a router. I actually have 2 routers, so I can use my router and capture these shapes perfectly. I'll make the template real strong, and then I'll double side tape it to the 1/2-inch MDF that I'm gonna use, and then it comes out perfect every time. So there's my left, and then I'll just copy it and make it the same as the right, and move on. Let's go. All right, y'all, this is where I'm at. As you can see from the pictures, I use that 1/4-inch MDF to get to this point. I also use those 1/4-inch MDF strips to make a bunch of them to go around in this curve and then just mold it in. I got a whole lot of molding to go. We're gonna mold this grill piece edge in there. You know, clean up the edges so that when we go to wrap it, everything will fit. Do some gapping. Just stay tuned with me. This is gonna come out really good. This is gonna be the whole video from start. Well, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this mocked up. We'll have the trunk mocked up, ready to go to be wrapped with leather. That's part one. Part two is gonna be the rear tray. You see, we got 4 Audio Frog 6.5s. We're gonna do a tray down there, and then we have some kick panels. So we'll do the mock-up where everything's ready to get wrapped. Then we'll do a whole video on wrapping. So this is part one. Thanks for being with me. Again, this is Anthony Lyons, AL Designs. Let's keep it going. All right, y'all. So this is how far I got on the build. Again, this is a 64 Riviera. I got the edges molded. I got some more sanding to do. Got some edges to clean up. Waiting on some parts. We're gonna have a grill in the middle here. And then it's gonna be plexiglass ring. Also gonna have a logo up here on the top. Some lighting, so stay tuned. As I'm waiting on all the parts to get here, I am gonna jump on the rear tray. That'll be part 2. So click like, share, subscribe so you can see this really kick-ass build coming together. I think it's gonna be a good one. All right, let's go.